Changing your location on Instagram can unlock region-specific content, protect privacy, or help with marketing strategies. In this video, we'll explore 4 easy ways to adjust your location for posts, stories, and app content. Part 1. How to change location on Instagram via virtual location tool. How to change. Install the virtual location tool on your computer and click Get Started. Connect your device via USB. The tool will detect it. Select Teleport Mode and enter your desired address. You also have the option to input GPS coordinates to pinpoint a specific location. The pointer will automatically adjust to the designated location on the map based on your input. Finally, click on Move to create a new location as you want. Part 2. How to change location settings on Instagram via app settings. For Android, go to Instagram Profile Settings Privacy. Enable Location. Tap Add Location to Post. For iOS, go to Instagram Profile Settings Privacy Location. Enable Location Services. Tap Add Location to Post. Part 3. How to spoof location on Instagram via fake GPS location. Spoofer Android. Download. Install fake GPS. Enable developer options. Tap Build Number. Allow mock locations. Select the app. Set location. Tap Start. Open Instagram. Detects fake spot. Add location. Choose spoof spot. Part 4. How to fake location on Instagram using NordVPN. Install NordVPN. Download and sign in. Connect to server. Choose a server. Enable VPN. Ensure connection. Launch Instagram. It detects the VPN's location. Optional. Add location and select a VPN spot.